one. Here are the students of fourth class, and they will clear the concept of have and had. So let's be start. ये किसकी बारी है? तो चलिए नंबर 1.
I have a car. मेरे पास एक कार है. I H A V E have a car. C A R car. I have a car. I had a car. मेरे पास एक कार थी. I A V
डी आएगा ना? डी आएगा ना? हैड थी के लिए
D H A D had. I had a C H R car. I had a car. मेरे पास एक कार थी.
नेक्स्ट वन. वेरी गुड.
I have a
Clean the blackboard. Firstly, clean the blackboard.
I have a doll. मेरे पास एक डॉल है. I have a D O double L doll. I have a doll. I had a doll. मेरे पास डॉल थी. I have a doll. मेरे पास डॉल थी.
यस, आई हैड अ डॉल. मेरे पास एक डॉल थी. गुड. नेक्स्ट वन.
I have an apple. मेरे पास एक एप्पल है. I have an apple. मेरे पास एक एप्पल है.
यस.
I had an apple. मेरे पास एक एप्पल था.
Good. Next one.
I
Say loudly. Yes. Read. Read the sentence. I have.
a dog. मेरे पास एक डॉग है.
Yes.
I had a dog. मेरे पास एक डॉग था.
Yes. Right. Yes. Good. Next one.
I have a book. मेरे पास एक बुक है.
Yes. Right.
I have a book. I had a book. मेरे पास एक बुक था.
दूर दूर लिखो जरा. Need to distance.
I had a book. मेरे पास एक बुक था.
Good. Next.
I have a cat. मेरे पास एक कैट है.
Yes.
I had a cat. मेरे पास एक कैट थी.
Cat means
मेरे पास एक
cat यानी
बिल्ली.
हाँ. Had.
I had a cat. मेरे पास एक बिल्ली थी.
Yes. Next.
I have a watch. मेरे पास एक वॉच है. मेरे पास एक वॉच है.
Yes. What is the spelling of watch? Watch, 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 watch,
मेरे पास
watch. What is the spelling of watch?
WATCH watch.
Yes. I had.
मेरे पास एक वॉच थी.
कैसे बोलेंगे उसको? फिर से बोलो.
I
I had
had
a
I had
a watch.
watch.
हाँ,
थी.
लिखो. राइट. H H लिखो. H WATCH. वो H. Correct. Good. Next.
I have a bat. मेरे पास एक बैट है.
Yes. आपके पास एक बैट है. I have a bat. Yes.
I had a bat. मेरे पास एक बैट था.
Good. Next one.
मेरे पास एक बॉल है.
Right. Very good. Yes, I had a. Good. Next one.
I